Warning to all my Vechain holders, I am one of them as well. In the last update, we were talking about how this big wick projection off of the ETF news was very bearish. In fact, when we actually lost it back over here, I was saying that as long as we maintained below this point, we could actually be expecting few targets to the downside being met, and how in the previous updates we were looking at this key area of support and how there's a lot of space. It's just a quick dump basically. There's nothing really holding this up, well, there is this holding this up, but as soon as you lose this, we can see that it's just a massive gap. There's not a lot of candles in this area, so there's high chance that we could actually return to this low if this support is lost. However, in the short term, on the way down to that target, there is this little area between the one targets over here where we could get like a short-term bounce back up into this resistance and then continue lower. So this video update, we're going to analyze that in a bit more detail. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Please do enjoy the update, and we'll continue with this Vechain analysis. So yes, we had that ETF news yesterday. It was also fake news in the end. Some people were saying that it was approved, and then we saw Bitcoin pumping from Sunday at about 26, 27k all the way until 30k on Monday, and it returning back down to the 28k area. And with that, we saw Vechain pumping through this 0.5 Fibonacci, which I was saying will be resistance, and it's actually keeping us bearish as long as we are below this, with these targets still valid over here. So to own and the lower targets down here, back down to this low. So the only way to go ahead and invalidate all of those targets is to actually reclaim this level at 1696, and without doing so, you're keeping these valid. At the moment, what is happening, as we are still holding above this wick over here, we're essentially just ranging between these 2 points, and we're just waiting for a range break. Understand that if we do actually climb back above this, it would be bullish, at least in the short term, until this high. This technically still keeps you bearish over here, so you could even rally up into that and still fall down lower. You need to break out of this range completely. Just reclaiming the 0.5 Fibonacci at 1696 is just short term. It's just short term, like a, oh sorry, I just got a phone call. It's just short term invalidating these targets over here. But if we want to keep those targets valid, we must short term, like our analysis, keeping this in a short mindset, sorry, that we will continue lower. We just need to maintain below this point, which we are doing right now. Sorry guys, I got really thrown off by my phone call from a mate of mine. Yeah, as long as we maintain below this wick, below the 0.5 Fibonacci, we are looking for further downside. All that is actually holding us up at the moment is this wick at the 1 Fibonacci at 1623. You can see right now we're actually wicking off of this wick over here. We're getting a short-term bounce. So for the bulls out there that believing Vechain will go up, this now needs to pump and reclaim this to get a push up into that area. But I will still maintain bearish as long as we are beneath that, because we could just dead cat bounce off of here and actually continue lower. So yeah, it's very important to watch for the holders out here to watch Vechain over these coming days and weeks, because there is a lot of potential downside at play. All we're simply waiting for is this area over here to be lost as support, this being maintained, and we will eventually continue down to all of these targets. We will get bounces in the short term from these that will bring us back up, but that pump will just be a bull trap as long as we stay below 1696, so about the 1.7 cent psychological level over here, and eventually all of these targets will be met. If anything does change, I will be here to analyze that. Otherwise, that is it from me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And I have a £100 course at the moment, so my course is now discounted to £100 for the remainder of the month. Head over to my Twitter, go to the links in the description down below where you can find the Twitter link, or come to my link tree. You can the course is here, but it's not got the discount applied, so please go over to Twitter and we'll briefly go over there and show you this post. Coming into the market, forcing trades daily is a recipe for disaster. Wait for trades to come to you. If our criteria is not met, we don't trade, as we're looking for very specific things, and I'm going to teach you those things in the course and the mentorship. So yeah, you will actually get some mentorship lessons in this, because you're going to gain 3 months access into my private Discord community, and we do 2 weekly group calls, 1 minimum. I try to do 2, so you'd get a minimum of 12 group calls and a maximum of 24 group mentorship calls, where I'll teach you more advanced techniques just to make your strategy a bit more bulletproof. Go over to that criteria. We'll also analyze any cryptos as a group that you want me to look at. So just message me over here, Louis_crypto with the blue tick. I recommend recommend clicking the links underneath this video and private message me here so you can get that discount code. And this will of course last until the end of this month. So as soon as we go into November, this discount will go. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.